So we have the Baki 4 trailer. Very very excited. Such good actors we have in this film, and I'm so excited. The teaser looked so good, and it is not at all inspired from any other film. It is original. It's nothing like a 2023 film or a film that came out 2024. It's totally original. I've never seen something like this. Indian cinema, मतलब फाड़ देगी movie. Best film of the decade, of the century it will be, and so excited to check the trailer. So without any delay, let's have a look. Oh my god. Oh my god.
स्टोरीज तो बहुत सुनी थी पढ़ी थी लेकिन ऐसी एक्शन पैक लव स्टोरी लाइफ में
So
बहुत
meta.
टाइम देखी रोमियो
Wow. So real.
सांझा सबको फेल कर दिया
Wow, never seen something like this. Oh my god.
बागी ने
Wow.
दिमाग नहीं
What a dialogue.
जो तुम्हें सच लगता है वो असल में हेल्यूसिनेशन है तुम्हारे मन का वह
Oh, same actor from not the other movie.
अलीशा सिर्फ उसके दिमाग में है
Shreyas Talpade.
ऐसा लगता था कि लाइफ
Item number.
और खत्म भी उस पे
तो फिर मिलाना कभी उससे?
लड़की का चक्कर है कोई लड़की है ही नहीं सर
Oh, what a twist.
इसने तो एक ही लाश बोला था या तो सभी मुर्दे हैं
अरे he's also there from not the other film.
कौन रोनी?
या तो लड़की मिलेगी या फिर सच
रोनी मुझे
Wow,
नहीं
romantic movie.
तेरे बिना मर जाना तू ही सांसों का सहारा है तेरे बिना ना गुजारा
Not a remake of a song.
अजीब किस्सा देखा खुदकुशी का
Oh wow,
से तंग आकर
that's a real tiger.
में मोहब्बत कर ली शैतान की लव स्टोरी में गॉड का क्या काम बोल मुझे
Wow, what powerful dialogue. Oh my god.
सच पता किए बिना मैं नहीं रुकने वाला
Oh,
मुझे इसके लिए जान देनी पड़े या किसी की जान लेनी पड़े
oh, now it's getting real. Oh my god, I cannot see, it's so good. Wow. Oh my god, fire.
बच्चे जला दूंगा
Evil laugh. Wow. Feminism. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god.
मैंने पहले भी बोला था ये जो तुम्हारा टॉर्चर है वो मेरा वार्म अप है
Oh, what a dialogue. Oh my god. What a flight. All wearing the same clothes. Wow. That tailor earned a lot of money that day. Oh, nice.
हर आशिक एक विलन है
Oh, ho, ho. Sausages. Oh, sorry, fingers. Oh. Wow. So good. मतलब speechless. The most violence, the most bloody film ever made in the century. You can see Tiger Shroff has put in everything. He's so good with his actions. Like the people next to him cannot even, sorry, I'll do that again. Yeah. Tiger Shroff is so amazing. Like no one can even, follow him. No one can keep up with him. He's so good. And this film will be just like जैसे सूरज उगता है और अक्षय कुमार साथ साथ चल देते हैं वैसे ही same. This film will rise and shine. VFX मतलब movie मतलब action, if you see it, slow motion fire, it is मतलब never seen before. The actors we see in this film, I've never seen them do the same thing before in 2023 film. This film is so progressive. Even the women characters are getting to fight and do the action and the bloody action, and also dance because they're versatile. Sanjay Dutt with that power packed performance, like it's gonna be something else on 5th September. But also the important part is the story. It has twists and turns. We don't know, he has memory issues. Is it real? The girl is real or not? Is he hallucinating, as they say, or is some big sajish going on against him? We also have his backstory. So there's so much content to explore. It is so R-rated, it is so bloody. I don't know if I can go on 5th September, but if you guys really enjoy this, do go. I don't think I'll able to make it. Yeah, I'll try. I'll try. But what do you guys think? Do let me know your thoughts. Lovely comments. The best things only that is allowed. Nothing else is allowed, because Suraj, right? It can also go down in the night. So Kumar also sleeps early. So so you need to understand that, and leave your great comments in the comments below. No negatives. They have spent so much money, effort on this. You should not give any negative comments. That's not right thing to do. And also that police station sequence, not like some Kannada film, it's totally unique and new to itself. And yeah, thank you for watching. Check out other videos if you don't like videos like this, so I can make videos. But yeah, thank you and bye. See ya.